Hello everybody, and welcome to another unboxing video by Trendi Switch. Today here we have the ART-SS2 in warm gray. Alright, let's take our scissors, let's open it on up. Okay, inside each box you'll get your product, a set of screws which will be able to fit into any universal pattress box, and you'll also get a set of instructions, which I'll show you in a second, but first, let's just take a look at the product. Okay, we'll start by giving you a 360 view. Okay, and then we'll take the plate off for installation. Nice and simple, grab at the edges there, and push forward with your palm. Comes off nice and easy, just like that. Okay, at the side here, your screw holes, that's where you're going to put your provided screws through to fasten to your pattress box. Flipping it on over, you'll notice at the top here that it's BS and CE certified. You'll also notice the 3-hole terminal screws here. So you know that this is a two-way light switch, So you can control your lights from 2 separate locations with this guy. If you need to control it from 3 separate locations, you'll need to get one of the intermediates, which these modules are interchangeable. So you just apply a little bit of pressure at the top, push forward with your thumb. It'll come out nice and easy, and you can put the new intermediate module in there. Okay. Also, these plates are interchangeable as well. So let's say you have a painter coming in, they've redecorated, and now your plates don't match anymore. Not a problem. You can purchase the spare plates online, and then you can swap them around. Okay. And then let's take a look at that instructional leaflet I was talking about earlier. Okay, on the one side you have a whole bunch of different social media platforms, which if you head on over to any one of those, give us a like or a follow, we would greatly appreciate it. Flipping it on over, you have multiple ways that you can contact us, either by phone number, email, or live messenger. In the bottom right hand corner here, you can see a Scan Me QR code. If you scan that, it'll take you directly to our instructional page, and you can see a whole bunch of tips and tricks on how to install the light switches and sockets. Okay. Finally, let's take a look at the bag that it comes in. On the back here in the center, we have our SKU code, the ART-SS2 for the 2-way, and WG for warm gray. On the center here is our barcode, and in the top left-hand corner here, you have another Scan Me QR code. If you scan that, it'll take you directly to our Trendi website, and you can see our full range of products there. Finally, flipping it on over, you'll notice the recycling symbol in the bottom right-hand corner here. So you know that this packaging that it comes in is completely recyclable. All right, there you have it. If you like videos like that, we try to upload one every day. So please make sure you're subscribed and that bell notification is turned on so you can stay up to date with everything trendy. Leave us a like and a comment down below as to what you'd like us to do next. All right, thanks for watching and have a trendy day.